Hello, this little video is to show you how you can make an educational blog similar to the Klein Academy for ICT or indeed similar to Homeschool Cayman. Now the first thing that you will need is a Gmail account, and you're going to need to sign into your account using Blogger. So signing in. Okay, once you've signed into your account, you have on display what's called the dashboard. This is my dashboard for Homeschool Cayman. You can see up here it's Homeschool Cayman. These are my posts that I'm writing. These are my drafts, and these are my published posts. So to start to create your own blog, the first thing you need to do is if you click up here, these are all my blogs. I've kind of made quite a lot of blogs over the years. So I'm going to scoot down right to the bottom where it says new blog. Okay, if you've only just begun creating a blog, yours will say new blog and nothing else. So we click onto new blog. So to create your blog, you need to give it a title. So for instance, Homeschool Mrs. Teacher. That would be the title of your blog, so it will be what comes up here. So mine is the Klein Academy for ICT. And then the next thing you need is your web address, which is going to be what comes up here. Usually all in lower cases, leaving no spaces. And sometimes they don't exist. So for instance, if I wanted to do abc.blogspot, it's going to say, sorry, this blog address is not available, because this is a very popular one that probably went quite early on. So I could try Homeschool Teacher. That's not available. So maybe at Homeschool Teacher 22. Yeah, and this blog address is available. It then gives you a choice of themes, and you can change these at a later date. You can change them. So for instance, Mrs. Klein changed the background theme on here. Again, Homeschool Cayman has a different background theme. You can change these at a later date. One that I usually recommend starting with is this nice simple one. Some of them, for instance, Soho is a little bit awkward to maneuver around to start with. So simple is a nice, easy one to start with. And then you simply click Create Blog, and it's creating the blog, and it's now successfully created. And this is my dashboard now for Homeschool Mrs. Teacher. There are no posts here yet. Up here I can view my blog. So if I click View Blog, this shows me what Homeschool Mrs. Teacher is currently looking like. There's lots of things that as you grow in confidence with your blog, you can start to play around here with gadgets. And for instance, here I've added lots of links to different blogs, websites, buttons. You kind of grow with that the more that you use the blog. To post my first post, I simply click up here onto New Post, and it posts in order. So your oldest posts will be at the end. Your newest posts will always be the first post at the beginning. So I could just put test. You could put whatever your lesson was going to be about. You can basically add pictures, all sorts of things. And then up here you've got the option. If you're not ready to put it live on the site, you can just save it as a draft. But if you're ready to publish live, you click Publish. And then basically, if we go to view the blog, you will see you've got test lesson 1. Now, there are many wonderful, useful things down here on your dashboard. It would be a little overwhelming to start kind of talking about all of these, but one I am going to show you is this one here, theme, because I think that's really helpful, and settings, which is really helpful. But I'm going to do those on a separate little post. All I really want to show you first of all is just how to create your blog. Okay, so hope that helps. Okay, bye-bye.